Excellent. So she's using a technique here where she's toasting those spices to bring out extra flavors out of them, release those essential oils.
I came last year with Chefs Go, and that was part of what made me want to do the Williamsburg apprenticeship program, was watching their demo and watching them compete and make something out of basically nothing. And I had a lot of fun doing it this year myself, and I took notes throughout all the lectures because I was like, I want to look at this later. So it's a really great experience for learning new things that I just didn't really know.
Shrimp, salmon, canned tuna, tilapia, and Alaskan pollock are the top.
I had never cooked on stage for people watching me, so that was extremely nerve-wracking for me. Me and Kristen, the other freshman I was with, we were the fresh meat crew. We kind of went home style because we're both from Hampton Roads area. We know each other's cooking. We've worked together since Chefs Go. So we did a shrimp and grits, our take. We did a Parmesan cheesy grit as our base. We sauteed vegetables. We had baby bell peppers, we had mushrooms, onions, garlic. Sauteed it off with butter. We had Old Bay in there because it's the Bay. We're here, we're doing seafood, you gotta have some Old Bay in there. And then we threw in some white wine to deglaze the pan, and we made our cream and butter sauce with that. And we used that sauce as our topper for the shrimp and all that stuff.